The guy in Honda car dealership was pretty nice. He gave me the price and told me, oh, here it's very expensive. You should look for a mechanic outside our store that would be cheaper. And I also have some problem with the power steering fluid leaking. He just filled it for free. Now I'm in another place in Autopart car shop here to change the engine oil. So it's an old car. There are some few problems of leaking oil and the power steering fluid. To solve everything, it will cost a lot of money, more than the car itself. So I'm doing the base maintenance and plus try to solve few things. There's missing some water here. He added already the engine oil.
这个呼掉，
什么意思？
怕你这个是环保材质，怕那个开这个管子的时候会呼掉啊。呼掉的话就要换掉。哇，你看开了。哦。没办法。
We're going to check the air filter now. 还可以吗？
很脏了，你看，脏了，很脏了。
那一点点脏，很脏是不是全部都黑吗？
就这就算很脏了。我拿一个新的梳，它像这样，干净的。
因为这个是白的，这个是绿的。
对，因为它里面都卡很多沙子了，你看。
OK。
清不掉。有没有？很脏了，你看，很脏，所以这个要换掉。
换掉。
对。
那就换。
然后等下再帮你看那个冷气滤网。
Well, we just changed the air filter. Not too expensive, but see the AC air filter now. This AC air filter is kind of expensive.
这个也要换掉，
这个要换吗？
你看都卡灰尘了，这个没办法清。你看，
哦 no， 那么脏，这不能清，不能打一打，
不能，因为这个是你在呼吸的，里面冷气吹出来在呼吸的。嗯，对。DK， 它冷气滤网也要换。
So we decided not to change it now because they don't have the cheaper brand here. They have 3 brands here, and only the most expensive is available. The other 2, they don't have it here. So I will see in another store if we can find a cheaper brand. Now we're gonna check the spark plug.
少一颗螺丝啊？哦，没有，
少一个。
没有，看错。
Okay.
我以为少一颗。
We're gonna check the spark plugs now as well as the ignition.
那我等一下举一下我自己。还可以用，
还可以。
对吧？勉强还可以用，间隙不会拖到太大。
所以你觉得看一个够了，还是4个都要看？
看一个就够了，
一个就够了。
第一缸就够了。
OK，
是吧
So the spark plug is okay. Don't need to change. He's doing one more checkup here.
我不知道你这时候来。
So this is an old car. Every 6 months I have to go to an inspection to see the gas emission, if it's okay or not.
对啊，离子插先换掉，离子栓跟平衡板相符。
什么意思？
这个。
哦 ，OK。
这个跟这个，还有这个。
你觉得那个换有用吗？好。
等下去试试看，
要试试看才知道。
我等下先去试一圈看看。好，我把它放低，我先去试。
好。So this is the Autopart car store. I'm here in Hualien, but you have much more options in Taipei, a bigger city. And just made some maintenance here. And the mechanic is now driving my car to see what's the problem with the noise, and check if they can solve here, changing some parts. Now in general, I like the service here in Taiwan. In general, I would consider them like pretty honest. Well, even in Honda car dealership, they suggest me to change a lot of things, and of course more expensive there. Filters, fluids, and oils here. It's not a big store, I think it's the same size in Taipei. In Taiwan, you cannot find a giant store like I can find in São Paulo, Brazil. I don't know about US or India or UK, but well, I think it's okay. So waiting for my car. Today it's raining. Yeah, thanks for watching. So he's removing now this component that's making noise. So we hope that this can solve the problem. I don't know their name in English and not even in Portuguese. So it's a specific part, mechanical part. This will cost me like this part around $70 US. Yeah. So I just changed the oil for this one. Mobile 5W50 in Taiwan is much more cheaper than in Brazil. It's 3 times cheaper in Brazil, in Taiwan. I don't know about US. So here will be like around $10 or $11 each. In Brazil, I just checked Google. It's $35 US, the same brand, same specification, mobile. Just too expensive in Brazil for the same thing. Of course, we have a cheaper brands and specifications. Arrived. I think it's called bucha in Portuguese. I don't know about English. No idea. Well, let's see.
Please subscribe and thumbs up. Não se esqueça de se inscrever e deixar o like. Obrigado. 请订阅和按赞。チャンネルを登録といいねお願いします。Suscríbete e dale me gusta, porfa. Iscriviti e lascia mi piace, per favore.